Ayan guys, na-deliver na namin ang aming balikbayan box.
Bayan box.
Balikbayan box. So, siya yung driver kasi dito tayo sa malaking highway. So, tagal ako mag-drive ng may trailer. So, gamit namin yung trailer namin. Siya yung driver. Gamit namin yung malaki naming sasakyan. So, ayan. So, see you Philippines. What's that? December, right? Around December.
Yeah. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
So, one